Hi, this is Kurt from Easy Exit. Today we're talking about the Stow-Fold console table designed specifically for every van. The table is made of multiply Russian birch with a laminate top. It's easily cleanable, it's durable, and it's designed so that the co-pilot is able to exit the seat without having to disassemble the table. When you're ready to put this table away, it's a very simple procedure. All you do is rotate it and you're done. When you want to use it again, same thing. One of the other nice features about this table is that it can be mounted on any of the four corners of the seat bases of almost any van. So depending on your needs, you could mount it so the seat post is mounted on the front of either the driver or the co-pilot seat, or on the rear of either the driver or the co-pilot seat. This is Kurt from easy-exit.com. You'll probably be able to see us at any of the van shows. Thanks a lot.